Rava Upma. Hello friends, today we are preparing Rava Upma. Rava is called Sooji or semolina. You can note down the ingredients from here. So, without any further delay, let's prepare it. Firstly, heat oil in pan and mustard seeds. I have taken peanut oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. Then add dhuli urad dal and saute a bit. Add dry red chilli cut in pieces, cashew nuts, peanuts and saute for a few seconds. Keep the flame medium high. Add hing now. After this, add chopped ginger, onion, carrot one by one and saute for 2 minutes. You can skip onion if you don't need onions. At this point, add curry leaves too. Then add French beans, corn and peas and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Meanwhile, blanch broccoli in salty boiled water for 1 minute and then wash under tap cold water so it maintains its green color. Now add broccoli into pan with other veggies and saute for a minute and add salt according to these veggies. You can add cauliflower too if you don't have broccoli. Cover the pan for 2 minutes and keep on low flame. Then add rava into the pan and saute for 5 minutes and add some salt now, as earlier we added only for veggies. No need to roast rava earlier as it will be roasted now with veggies. On the other hand, from 3 cups of water, take some water and add in curd to make it thin like lassi. Boil the rest water separately. Roast the rava until it changes its color a bit. Add thin curd water in upma and mix, followed by boiled water and mix it well for 1 to 2 minutes. Squeeze half lemon in upma and mix well. Finally, add 2 teaspoons ghee in upma. Mix and cover the pan for 5 minutes on low flame. Upma is ready to serve now. Enjoy! I hope you liked this recipe video. Try this recipe once and I believe you will surely prepare it again and again. This upma recipe always comes out so good that everyone loves to eat upma who even doesn't like earlier, and a great way to feed veggies to kids. You can have it as a breakfast or evening meal. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.